Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your cloud storage with Google Drive detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Google Drive on your computer or mobile device. Log in with your Google account credentials if you're not already logged in. Select the file or folder you want to protect. Right-click on the selected item to open the context menu. Choose the Share option from the menu. In the sharing settings, you'll see who has access to the item. To limit sharing, click on anyone with the link. Change the sharing settings to restricted. This ensures only specific people can access the file or folder. To add people, enter their email addresses in the provided field. Adjust their access permission to either viewer, commenter, or editor. Click Send to share the item securely with the selected individuals. Next, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Google account. Go to your Google account security settings. Select two-step verification and follow the prompts to enable it. This adds an extra layer of security whenever you log in. To further strengthen your security, regularly change your password. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, review your account activity for any unauthorized access. In your Google account, go to the Security section. Look for recent security activity to check for unusual sign-ins. If you find any suspicious activity, update your password immediately. Lastly, back up your important files periodically. Consider downloading them to an external hard drive or another cloud service. This ensures you have access to your files even if something happens to your Google Drive account. Regularly review your sharing settings to maintain control over who can access your files. Understand the importance of file version history for recovering previous versions. Right-click on the file and navigate to Version History if you need to revert changes. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.